Mathieu Barathier was born March 23, 1784, in Narbonne, died January 6, 1867, in Narbonne, was a French painter, engraver and lithographer. Ultimately, he would renounce David's neoclassical style in favor of Romanticism, with a marked predilection for English art. He made numerous visits there and possessed a large collection of English engravings. He was also an admirer of Lord Byron and created sketches for his epic poem, Don Juan. After several decades in Paris, he moved to Carcassonne in the 1850s, then returned to Narbonne, where he became a member of the Commission Archéologique et Littéraire. In addition to engravings, he collected books, paintings, ceramics, drawings and other cultural artifacts, including ancient weapons. He also had an interest in the theatre and ballet, for which he created extensive illustrations.